I'm finally getting around to opening my September's bag makers box from Studio7T7. I've had it a week. I've held off recording the unboxing because I haven't felt well enough to do it, but I feel well enough today, so I'm going to unbox it. It isn't open. I don't know what's inside, so I'm going to record it and we can open it together. Hi, welcome back to my channel, The Bag Maker Society. My name's Deb and I make videos on all things bag making, as well as running my bag making supply business here in the UK called Me Made Makes. So today's video is literally opening the bag maker's box from Studio7T7. I don't know what's inside. I do know the colour. Somebody who shall remain nameless did slip the colour. But I don't know what's inside. I've managed to avoid everything and anything that's been put out there. So I don't know what's in there. So let's open it together. Oh, I've got you on my sewing table. So hopefully I've got enough room here and you'll be able to see what's inside. I'm so excited. As always, it's beautifully packaged. You always get a leaflet which has a few different pattern designers that you can go on and have a look at the patterns. There's always a discount code for you to use on a specific pattern that you can use the contents of your bag maker's box with, so you're not restricted to a certain pattern. You can go ahead and use whichever pattern you want to. This month we have obviously Emma from Studio7T7, who may or may not have been the person who divulged the colour of the bag maker's box, and the pattern that she is got the discount code for is the Vicky May, and it's a fab pattern. I absolutely love that pattern. And then we also have Faith with her pumpkin bucket bag, and we also have pin it up patterns as well with the, I'm going to really pronounce this wrong, the Avia Tricks, I think that's how you pronounce it, bag. There was a video I watched the other week of Kasaya making that bag, and yeah, it just looks lovely. So I think, because I've already got the Vicky May, I don't have any little ones to make a pumpkin bag for, so I think I might be treating myself up to the pin it up pattern with my discount code. So yeah, you always get your leaflet. It will tell you what's in the pattern, in the box. I always feel like so bad opening the box because they've been so well put together. So on first foot, I'm going straight for my tea bag. I love tea. We all know how much I love tea. I am a Yorkshire tea girl. Chocolate digestives. A smooth cocoa hit with a chocolatey biscuity base. Brewing time 4 minutes. I don't know if I can leave my tea bag in 4 minutes because I'm very impatient, but we shall give it a try. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift everything out of the box onto my sewing table to make it easier to see. I have these boxes all over the place. Like, I don't actually get rid of them because as a fellow small business, I know how expensive these things are, and also they are so handy. I store all sorts in them. So I'm going to go for my stickers first. Oh, I love this. Can you see this? Bag maker. Oh, I love it. That's so good. And oh yes, I saw No, I Won't Hem Your Jeans. That is so me. Yeah, I say this to people all the time. Yes, I saw No, I Won't Do That For You. So we have webbing, which has handmade written on it. It's like embossed into the webbing. That is beautiful. There is 2 meters of that, and that is 1 inch wide. That's absolutely gorgeous. I'm leaving that fabric until the very end because I can see that I'm just going to absolutely love that. There is 2 lobster clasps and 2 triangle rings in purple. Hopefully the camera is picking up that beautiful colour. Both of those are in 1 inch, so they match the webbing perfectly. If you can see them next to each other, they just go so well. So there's 2 each of those. Oh wow, they are beautiful. See if this camera will. That is gorgeous. So they are got handmade. It's that way around. I've got it upside down until I haven't got my correct glasses on. They are just stunning. I have never seen any like that before. I'm going to go back over to the other camera and just see if it will pick it up with the light. But that's just so nice. It's really hard sometimes to get it to focus because of the reflection. That's probably the best. It's just gorgeous. I love it. I knew Emma had said that there was something really unusual and different in this bag, in this box, and she was absolutely right. They are gorgeous. And then there's also a purple tassel cap as well, and you get the screws. They are going straight back in there so they don't get lost. And then I just know that I'm going to absolutely adore this fabric. This is beautiful. It's got a very sort of vintage, sort of Parisian type feel to it. Beautiful purples, blues, pinks. That is just gorgeous. There's 1/2 metre of this. I'll hold it up to this camera as well, put it the right way. But that is just beautiful. I'm not normally one for, I do like purple, but I'm not really normally one for sort of pinks and stuff, but I really love that. And I think the pinks in it just really make it pop. I knew, and I've seen all the love for this box online. I've seen everybody raving about it, talking about it, how much they absolutely love it. And it's absolutely killed me for to have it sitting there not knowing exactly what was in it. Obviously I knew the colour. But yeah, that is just so nice. And these, I'm going to show you again. They are just so gorgeous. And obviously you get the little washers to go behind. But I definitely think I'm going to go with the pin it up pattern out of the leaflet with my discount code. So it says this bag is feeling those 50s vibes with a unique vintage inspired double flap design and hides multiple compartments to carry all the things that you need. That sounds like my sort of bag. And there's a 20% off code for that pattern in the leaflet. I've literally just heard the front door go, so that's my husband coming in. So I'm going to go and annoy him and show him all of the things that he will not be interested in, but will probably try and fake some interest and try and seem interested in when I tell him what I want to make with it. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed, as I say, watching me take out everything out of the bag makers box. If you have enjoyed the video, please do give it a like. The YouTube algorithm will love you for it, but more importantly, so will I. And if you want to see more videos like this, please do subscribe to my channel and click the little notification button, and you will get notified whenever I release a new video or when I go live with the podcast. So until next time, see you soon. Bye.